Along the coastal stretches of the Netherlands, public parks are being redesigned to embrace the rhythm of nature. One of the most captivating innovations is the installation of rotating seating circles, circular benches that can be gently turned to face the direction of the wind or the sun. These installations respond to seasonal shifts, encouraging people to bask in sunlight during cold months and enjoy the sea breeze in warmer times. Designed with both comfort and curiosity in mind, the seating circles are made of weather-resistant wood and steel and are often anchored on grassy dunes or wooden platforms. Some are moved manually by park visitors, while others use simple wind sensors or seasonal repositioning. The rotation isn't just functional. It invites interaction, exploration, and a heightened sense of place. In spring, families spin them toward the east to greet the morning sun. In autumn, they turn westward to enjoy golden sunsets. On windy days, the benches face inland, shielding users from strong gusts while still offering ocean views. These circles foster community, spark conversations, and turn sitting into a dynamic experience. This concept is part of a larger Dutch philosophy: to live with nature rather than fight it. In an age of static urban design, these rotating circles remind us that public spaces can be alive, adaptive, and joyfully unpredictable.